Namaskaram friends. Today I will continue to talk about Divya Desam Well, Sarangapani temple and Chakrapani and the Ramaswamy temple. Actually I discussed about Sarangapani and Chakrapani temple yesterday. Today I will cover the details about Ramaswamy temple. Before getting into the details of Ramaswamy temple, I want to just mention one point about Chakrapani Swami. The main deity has third eye, very similar to Lord Shiva who has third eye. Here in the Chakrapani temple, we can see the deity Chakrapani Swami with third eye. So that's the detail I want to give. And also, the 12th Divya Desam is related to the temple Chakrapani temple only in all the books. But elders also relate the other two temples, Chakrapani and Ramaswamy, because they are interrelated. As I said, Chakrapani deity is nothing but it's Sarangapani's discus, Chakra, correct? So that's why the elders wants us to see that temple also. And there is a commercial corridor built between Chakrapani temple and Ramaswamy temple. So elders recommends us to visit all these temples at a time when we have plans to visit 12th Divya Desam. And these two temples, Chakrapani and Sarangapani temples, are very old temples. They were built during 8th to 9th century, very similar to other Divya Desams. Whereas Ramaswamy temple was built by the Nayak kings. The minister of the Nayak king named Govinda Dikshidhar. He built this temple during 16th century. So this is not that old related to other two temples. But since they have the corridor connected to the older temple Chakrapani Swami, we have been recommended to see this. As I am telling, the deity name is Ramaswamy. It's a very common name given in previous generations people, right? We know a veteran comedy actor by the name Ramaswamy sir also, correct? So that's a very common name, and we have heard people with names of Chakrapani and Sarangapani also. Now I am relating that those generations where they named the people from those districts. All the deities names very similar, where we can see the name, very common name Pathasarthan near Triplicane. That's how we see here Sarangapani, Chakrapani, Ramaswamy. The temple will be very beautiful, as I was telling, repeating it. Let me get into the details of Ramaswamy temple. It has a three-tiered gopuram, and there will be a big hall leading to the main sanctum. The hall has 64 beautifully sculptured pillars, and each pillar it depicts the episodes of Ramayana. I managed to click few. I have in my mobile. I'll try to attach those pictures also along with this video. It will be beautiful. And the closed present praharam to the main sanctum is completely painted with episodes of Ramayana. So if we can visit the temple leisurely, we can study about the Ramayana in details. Along with the paintings, they have described the names also and the episode names too. It's a beautiful painting and colorful paintings they have done in the closed precinct. Now let's see the details of the main sanctum. Here Lord Rama and Sita are giving darshan to the devotees in a seated position. Everywhere Rama used to carry his bow, correct? Here he has given his bow to his brother Lakshmana. Lakshmana is carrying two bows here. Rama will be in seated position, and that too in the right side. Sita will be in the left side of the Rama. This is to depict that it is a Pattabhishekam position, no? Depicting Rama has got prominence here as a king. So king has a prominence. It's a Pattabhishekam, no? Otherwise, in the Urchavar, if you see, Sita will be in the right side, and Rama will be carrying the bow. But in the Moolavar, that is the main sanctum, Rama doesn't have bow, and also he will be in the right side of the position seated. And all the three brothers, Lakshmana, Bharadan and Shatrughan, will be there. are there along with Rama and Sita in the standing positions, and we can observe Lakshmana carrying two bows. One belongs to his brother. Anjaneya Swami posture is with tambura. He'll be holding a tambura in one hand and the Ramayana epic in the other hand. I heard and read that the devotees who hear or read about Ramayana get tears in their eyes. Their eyes will be flooded with tears as they keep reading Ramayana. So we can see Anjaneya in that worshipping posture in this temple. So as such, the Samasamma temple is so beautiful one, and it's the main center place of the Kumbakonam, very busy area also. We can do shopping or take coffee. This is little details I'm giving as we visit the temple. Yes, it's in the main center place of Kumbakonam. There are very lovely coffee caves and snack caves near that we enjoyed. They're just giving a hint. Let's meet tomorrow with 13th Divya Desam. Thank you all, friends. Namaskaram.